right, for the first time ever on Dave's Cooking Show, I'm going to be cooking something not for humans. These are homemade doggy treats. My dogs loved them. Pretty sure yours will too. What we have in the bowl is 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of oats. I've added 3/4 of a cup of organic peanut butter. And for once, you actually do need the damn organic shit. And then we're going to add to that about 1.25 cups of hot water and 1 egg. So, I mean hot, not boiling. I don't know, about 180-ish. And then you just want to stir this up till it forms a nice dough. All right, and then on a parchment-lined baking sheet, you want to roll these into 1-inch balls. Now, if you have smaller dogs, you can obviously make smaller balls. I just cut them up for my dogs. And then you want to bake in a 350-degree preheated oven. And you want to bake them for 15 minutes and allow them to cool for 10 minutes. Now, don't worry. These don't actually change shape because there's no sugar to melt. So they pretty much look almost identical to this when they come out. And that's it. Homemade dog treats. Done.